great passive income, but this bag right here, I do not have. Now, what do you guys think? Should I sell this pattern? I have mixed emotions about it. Well, hello there. Hey guys, it's Alexis. So, I don't know what's gotten into me, but lately I've been making a lot of retro synthwave type of music. Anyway, as you can see in the intro, which is ridiculous. But, I don't know, it's been 3 or 4 weeks since I made a video. And for those of you guys who've been following this channel for a long time, I'm slowing down on YouTube videos because I'm gonna be focusing my efforts on my other business, my wife's business, real estate. I just passed, 2 days ago, I passed the state exam, so I'm officially licensed, a Florida realtor. So you guys will see me a lot more if you miss my beautiful face and my mustache. I will be over here on this channel, a lot more here in the future. I'll be making tons of videos over there with my wife. So don't you fret, I'll be over there for those who want to see me. Let's talk about this video. This video is this bag. As you can tell by the title of the video, that is this bag I made for myself. It is my executive briefcase. I want to talk about some of the issues I have with this bag, and that is selling this bag. So I've probably sold a handful of these bags. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on, my son. He wrote me a letter. That's what he wrote. All right, you can take it. Love you. Anyway, so I have a hard time selling this. I'll tell you why. This bag takes me about 30 hours to make because everything's by hand. There's nothing plugged in the wall at all. It takes me 30 hours. There is about a whole side of leather I used to make this bag. So material alone, you're looking at a whole side of leather and about another 20 bucks in actually in hardware. So it's really hard for me to sell this bag. It's gonna be hard pressed for somebody to buy this bag for 1,200 bucks is what I'm trying to get at. 30 hours of me making radio strap suspenders will yield way more money than me trying to sell this bag. So I really don't sell too many of these bags. So I made another one for myself, essentially. Now we're gonna change cameras, talk about this build, and I have some more questions for you guys. Hold on. So let's talk about this bag real quick. This is Wicked & Craig, their natural tooling leather, okay? This is not their Latigo or this is not their bridal. This is their tooling leather. So everything here is made out of 5 ounce that I married together. So that's why you see there's a lot more stitching. So this is 5 ounce married with 5 ounce. All of the pockets, the gusset, and the back pockets are all just 5 ounce, including the laptop sleeve is 5 ounce. The main body and the flap are 2 5 ounces put together. This is how I get away with making this whole bag with 5 ounce leather, okay? This is a little darker. This is actually Herman Oak, natural Vegetan. This is 9 ounce. I had this laying around, so I used their Herman Oak for the strap. So that's that. So this bag, just to remind you guys, it's all 5 ounce leather, 100% 5 ounce leather. All the pockets, like I said, gussets are all 5 ounce. This handle is 5 ounce, but flapped on itself. Everything else is 5 ounce, but put together. So, like I said, it's a 30-hour build. And the reason why I chose this color is because I'm curious to see what Wicked & Craig patina looks like after a while. So I'm gonna come back and make a follow-up video, but I want you guys to see this color is really nude, to be honest with you. It's kind of really nude and really flat. But I'm just curious to see what this will look like in about 6 months. But I'll make a follow-up video on this. I am gonna go ahead and show you inside. There is this flap, and this is something new that I've done. So I made a gusseted pocket. It was a little bit challenging, but I kind of figured out how to do it my style. This is a heavy duty number 10 YKK zipper. So this, you can put a wallet. I actually have in this pocket my mustache wax. That's what I have in there. Works really good. But yeah, I wanted to make a gusseted pocket, not just a flat pocket. So that was pretty cool. I have a laptop sleeve in here. There's a laptop sleeve in here. And one cool thing, hold on, let me put that back over there. One cool thing, something different I did here, I made a hanging pocket. I don't know if you can see it. This pocket is a hanging pocket, all right? And it's a huge zipper. So in this pocket, this is about 15 by 10 inches deep, this pocket. And it's a hanging pocket. It's only held on by this stitch up here, okay? In here, you can put whatever you want. I actually made this cool little checkbook. I made this cool little checkbook holder thing. You can actually put checkbook, you can put money's in there, checkbook, a pen. So yeah, I just made that for no reason whatsoever. But yeah, this is a rambling video. That's what I do. Yeah. But what I wanted to get at, guys, let me change the camera angle and explain to you something that I've been thinking about, kind of important. Let me change the camera angle, stand by. All right, hold on, I gotta get that flag in there though, boy. Why don't you do that to me? All right, so you see the bag, and I put it in the corner here so it can look nice. I actually have all my templates done for sale, and that's been going really well. So I wanna say thank you guys very much for purchasing those templates and giving me your business and your patronage. I'm really grateful for that. Anything that you guys made from my templates, please share with me. I would love to put them on the community tab and share that. That's number one. Number two, like I was saying, I have everything I make that I sell as a template. And that's been doing really well. It's really great passive income, but this bag right here, I do not have. Now, what do you guys think? Should I sell this pattern? I have mixed emotions about it, because this is the cream of the crop, the most proud I am of anything that comes out of my shop. This is by far the nicest thing that I make, to me personally. I know it's not for everybody. It's a little robust. It's kind of chunky, I get it. But I kind of don't want to part with it. I don't want to give anybody my secrets, but at the same time, I'm not going to be doing this that much. At the same time, I really don't sell these that much. At the same time, I might as well try to make money. I bet you I'd make more money if I sell the templates with a build-along video than I would selling the bag. That's just the reality. A lot of guys do that. A lot of these good YouTubers, they just sell their intellectual property, that's a great idea. So I want to tap into the market with a bigger project like this. Let me know what you guys think. Should I do it or should I not? Should I hold this close to the chest? Should I not give away my secrets? I don't know. I'm having a hard time about that. My gut feeling is to go ahead. I already have the pattern, by the way. I have it ready to go. I just haven't made a build-along video, and I don't know if I want to do that. So let me know what you guys think. This is the last thing I would have to make a build-along video on, is this briefcase, as well as maybe that female tote bag, which is very similar to this. So I don't know, I'm just having a hard time pulling the trigger on that. Let me know what you guys think about that. Stay tuned, make sure you watch me on my wife's YouTube channel. I'll be there a lot more, so please check that out. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Yeah, I'll put another video to check out this patina, what this looks like in about 6 months. But let me know if you guys have any questions pertaining to this bag build. Any general questions you guys have, or I've missed anything, let me know. It's been a while, I kind of miss you guys. But I got other stuff brewing. I have a lot of irons in the fire. I gotta hone in on what I really need to do, what's best for my family, but I miss you guys. God bless you. Thank you very much for being part of this channel. Talk to you later. Let me know in the comments below if I should do that or not. And also how much I should charge. You know, I'm thinking anywhere from 20 to 25 bucks for that pattern. Comes with a build-along video. Let me know. Bye.